Welcome friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to handle events in ActionScript. For that we will create a new Flash document. Now I am making a button. For that select rectangular tool, draw a square, select text tool, write A, I am making another rectangle. I am creating a text box here. Name it T1. Now to create symbols, select the area first, right click on it and select convert to symbol and select type button. Here our button is in action panel. Now let's create another button. Convert to symbol, name B, OK. Now there are two buttons in library panel. Now let's write event. For that right click on button and select action. Now I am writing simple action on the button. On release. T1.text equal to button A is press. Now I am writing event for button B. On roll over T1.text equal to cursor is on button B. Now let's run the script. For that press Ctrl and enter. Cursor is on button B. Now I am pressing button A. Button A is pressed. Now I am moving my cursor to button B. So this will give basic idea of events. Thank you.